So I've realised something important about the engineering, about Leve and the Portland cement and the reinforced steel. This is how it works. Look at the thermite detritus that you've got. You've got your layers of carbon and layers of iron, and you're seeing reinforced steel, the perlite of reinforced steel. You see that the same way. Look at the layers of carbon and iron, the two way that they're arranged in laminar flows, frozen in reinforced steel. When you set them up to operate in their plastic range, you stretch a particle within the steel bar itself, and that opens up a portal from there into the center of the earth, and you're then tapping the momentum, the strength of the center of the earth in a particle of the steel. The concrete then sets that, and so what you're doing is you imagine that you're analyzing the beam made of steel, and you support it with spring supports, allowing sag in the design using the coefficient tables from the 1993 PCA document. You allow the sag and you build it in. So you've captured the plastic strength of the steel by gripping it so tightly with the concrete. So there's the link between the concrete switching off and the nuclear explosions. That is, the concrete just switches off electromagnetically, harmlessly, but it just creates a vacuum energy. So there's an implosion going on as the twist untwist. You get an implosion energy, and you've got aggregate, fines material that implodes. When the moment that it stops gripping the reinforced steel, which has got the particle of nuclear reaction going on in it, that snaps shut. But because the vacuum energy that's going on around it, it's open, so that the pyroclastic cloud, as a volcano, exactly as a volcano this is, because it's the same mechanism at play, the heat stays within the pyroclastic cloud, massive heat inside there, and that's what then melts the steel. So that's what, and it's not a chain reaction, it's just a cause and effect. Concrete switched off electromagnetically, Leve, reinforced steel, nuclear explosion, extension of Reynolds P-Eng. Look at my work, that's what I've done. The reinforced steel bar is the center of the earth, replicated, frozen. Imagine frozen. Temperature differential, it's frozen relative to how it should be in motion, so it should have a K of motion. Frozen, and you've stolen the energy. As a spider takes energy from the light fiber that's created because of the earth is the center of the universe. Light fibers is what the ether is made from, and it's that light fiber that has an EI, an elastic plastic modulus. Spiders can capture it with a surfactant surface over the fiber, creating a strength stronger than steel, because they've captured the energy. They haven't created that energy, you get it? They just secrete mucus that catches the fiber. That's the way to do it, not the way we do it, because the way we do it is destroying us. So the truth about 9/11 is out. Link Leve to the 1993 PCA document, circular concrete water tanks without pre-stressing. Reference it clearly. And then let's look at Leve and what he was telling us in 1915 and specifically in 1906. So I'd like to start his physics doctorate in 1906. He passed, therefore it's right. Tell us about the corruption of the living force using vector analysis. Victor's vector analysis. I want to know the fucking truth, and I want to know it right now, and I want us to take back control of this planet from you thieves and you liars. The truth is out, and it's staying out. Kill us as you like. Get off the fucking throne, Charles. Follow the Rebel King.